Hi, this is Alpha from Money Made Simple, and this is just a very quick video to help take you on another journey for money saving tips. This is also good for the environment too. It's trying to remove all of what I call the throwaways from the household. So I'm in my kitchen and I've got a few little things here. I've got, where are we? My cupcakes. When I do them, make them for my daughter, I've got the cupcake holders. I've even found reusable baking paper. Well, it's actually silicone, but I was so excited when I found this. Now I don't have to keep throwing stuff away every time I make cookies or put a pizza in the oven. It's fantastic. Also got Ziploc bags. You can get reusable Ziploc bags and they're really good. You just chuck them in the dishwasher, which makes it super simple. So there's lots of things. Oh, and even the I used to use chuckses that you could throw away. Well, I don't do that anymore. I just wash it, chuck it in the machine with everything else in a bag. And same with the wipes as well, and the stuff that you used to actually just buy and throw when you'd look for it on sale. And it's so much easier now just to be able to chuck it in the washing machine. So it's cheaper, easier, and it's good for the environment. So have a look and see in your household what you could maybe sort of find to replace all the throwaways, and just start small. It's taken me a while to get to this point. So just as you find stuff little by little. All right, give it a go.